Alright, is this gonna be one of those where I get stung like a lot? Because you told me to?
My finger's missing. I think they just ate it.
On the other side.
They just ate my finger. Those are bees all over my finger. And they're so confused right now. Those two are kissing. Alright, Daniel. You just have to take your hand and scoop them off. Oh, that's going to help us a lot.
With the branch?
Yeah.
No. Let me use a branch.
No, you use your hand.
No, I'm not going to use my hand.
No, you really do.
I'll use a branch.
You got to just like go straight up like this.
Well, you're halfway there, so go ahead.
Yeah, but I'm only going to be able to take like 1,000 of them.
And where are we taking them to? Did you put any thought into this? No, I'm not doing that with my hand.
Why not? Do you want some of those?
No, I'm not your dad.
Just try it, it's fun.
No, I'll hold the branch.
What branch? You're going to hold it? It's already, the tree is holding the branch.
I'm not holding those in my lap while we're driving around. Are you kidding me?
They're not stinging you. Have you been stung yet?
You also said the skunks won't spray me either.
But I'm doing this. That's proof that this is actually happening. It's kind of nice that I'm not being stung at the moment. Because that would be a lot of stings. Anyone need any bees? Go back to mama. Kidding me? He'll run so fast. Just try it one time.
No.
Scoop that bottom half up. Daniel, it's
and
fun.
Then do
Wait
what?
till you feel. You can. All you got to do to get rid of them is go like that. That's it.
Are you serious?
Yes.